Hello guys, welcome to our situation in Excel Mania. Today we are back with very useful tutorial which is called COUNTIF function. If you want to find out how many times same name or same product used in the data, you can find out very easily. What you have to do, you have to do just equal sign count if, open up the bracket, and this is your range. Why am I calling it range? Because you can see it range over here, right? And then you have to press comma, quotation sign. We want to find out how many times we used was C first. Okay, close the bracket and enter it. And you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 times we used the word C and the fifth time over here. And if you want to find out something else, for example, what? iPad mini. I will show you in the quotation mark. iPad mini, press enter. We used only 2 times over here, right? So that's how you guys can find out how many times you guys use the same name in the data or in your job, in your school assignment, and whatever. I hope you guys like this tutorial. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. We will come back with a lot of new tutorial, with a small, with powerful tutorial. And I hope you guys will be back and enjoy these videos. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.